Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know Telegram user phone number, and now let's dive right in. Now, to know a phone number of a Telegram user, first open up your Telegram app on your phone, and over here guys, open the chat box of the person of whom you want to know the phone number on Telegram. Suppose if I tap on the contacts, there will be a lot of contacts here, so let's just open up a contact. And after opening your contact guys, at the top of the screen you can see their name, and over here tap on the name, and this kind of their profile picture, their profile will appear, where you can or you will be able to view their phone number over here just below the info that will be available for all of the personnel that is in your contact. But guys, if you're not able to view the phone number over here on the Telegram after opening their profile, then they have chosen to hide their phone number through the settings. You can see on the privacy and settings over here, and the phone number there on Telegram, you will be able to hide your phone number from anybody you like. So if there isn't the phone number available on the chat box section of that person, maybe that person has chosen to hidden their phone number. Now, in order to know their phone number guys, you will be required to directly contact them. So with that being said guys, this is how to know a Telegram user phone number. And if you have any confusions and questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.